The Nilight RGB LED rock lights. Kit is a stunning way to add a vibrant, custom look to your truck, ATV, UTV, RZR, or SUV. This 4-pod underglow neon light system offers a wide range of multicolor options, controlled through a user-friendly Bluetooth app. The flashing music mode syncs the lights with your favorite tunes, creating a dynamic and immersive visual experience. Designed for versatility, these rock lights are perfect for illuminating wheel wells or underbody areas, enhancing both style and visibility. The pods are built with durable materials that can withstand rough terrains, making them ideal for off-road adventures. Installation is straightforward, and the app provides seamless control over colors, brightness, and lighting effects, ensuring a fully customizable setup. Whether you're looking to stand out at night or add functionality to your off-road vehicle, the Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights Kit delivers exceptional performance and flair. The combination of durable construction, advanced features, and striking aesthetics makes it a